G'day boys, lovely day for it. 13 degrees, was just 12.
13 degrees probably isn't 13 degrees probably isn't anything to anyone down south, but in Brisbane it's cold.
Yeah.
So
what are we doing today, Benny?
we're going to mow 40 acres with our pal BJ, and we've got
TBL landscape.
Yeah, in sunny Brisbane.
Yep.
We got 2 stand-ons and 2 sit-down mowers. We're driving through. The temperature's actually dropped since we got here.
Yeah, 12 degrees.
So some of it looks kind of nicely mowed already, eh? Look, it's there's the open fields. I don't know what that bank is up there. Is that?
That's a jump.
Ski jump?
Yeah, we'll jump that.
All right. That's my fire.
So this is the bus station.
This is the bus depot.
Phil Dunn's buses.
So there's a pool here. We could go for a swim.
Phil's done nothing.
Alright guys, so we just finished. It's 2:30 in the Arvo. So
25 degrees now, it's doubled in temperature.
beautiful mowing temp. So Rusty, hang the cam out. What do you reckon?
Oh, here we go. Here's some local wildlife.
Yeah boys! So I'd say, I mean, it was fun doing the open paddocks, but doing in between the trees was pretty fun, eh?
Yeah, that was probably my most hated spot.
We've missed a bit.
Oh yeah, takes that. Immaculate. But
Immaculate. Another big massive paddock over there. Alright, so this is sort of the home stretch where we kind of finished up.
Yeah, it's where the party was. No one had any...
There wasn't a lot of structure when we were doing this bit.
Not one bit.
A little bit of zero-turn mayhem.
Yeah.
But all in all, yeah, we smashed it. So...
Out of the ballpark.
Okay guys, so that was our 40-acre adventure today. And yeah, basically from 7:30 till 2:30, smashed it.
Yeah,
We had about, what do you reckon, like a 40-minute lunch? Max? Probably about that.
Yeah.
So yeah, peace out.